A very warm welcome to PCE Instruments, your manufacturer of test and measuring instruments for industry, trade and research.
Hello and welcome. I have brought you the PCE-LMD 200. This is a light meter that can measure illuminance levels of up to 500 kilolux, which is 500,000 lux. And you can see that it has a large, easy-to-read display. It has the option of stopping the current value. You can see a stop symbol at the front if you want to make a note of it. And we can go into the menu and see the options for calibration. We can see that we can save measured values and call them up again afterwards on a memory card that we can insert into the device. We have other options for calibration and measurements, as I just said, and settings such as display contrast. The device comes with an external measurement probe, which we can see here and which is connected to the device via this cable. And if I move the device slightly to the side, we can see that this rod, this extension rod, is also included in the scope of delivery, which we can extend 4 more times here. And we have the holder at the top here, into which I can insert and attach this probe so that I can also measure the amount of light in places that are difficult to access. There is also an extension for this device, namely a luminance attachment, the PCE-LMD LMA1. And it has a 100 mm lens with a measuring field angle of 1 degree. And so we are almost able to use it for targeting. With this device, it is possible to measure the amount of light at a very specific location. And I've deliberately put it on a tripod here because with this small aperture angle, it's very important to align it precisely to actually reach the desired location. If I turn the device around, we can see an opening at the back here. And the sensor, the light sensor that I've just shown here, if I unscrew the ring here, I can now screw it on here at the back. So I can measure objects at a distance in a very similar way to a lens that I screw onto an SLR camera, for example. And the PCE-LMD 200 is therefore able to carry out measurements both close up and at a distance. Have a bright day and goodbye.
Discover and order the latest measuring and test equipment now on www.pce-instruments.com.